Today's lesson is about possession and whose. Repeat after me. Our pictures. His car. Her dog. The underlined words are possessive determiners. Take a look at this table. On the left, we have the pronouns, and on the right, we have their possessive determiners. I, my, you, your, he, his, she, her, it, its, we, our, they, their. His name is Alfie. This is his dog. Her name is Sabrina. This is her bag. Now let's take a look at the possessive case. Instead of saying the book of Angela, we say Angela's book. Use the same method with the following sentences. The camera of my father. My father's camera. Good. The computer of Alex. Alex's computer. Excellent. Now let's jump to whose. Whose dress is this? It's Julia's dress. Or, it's Julia's. The owner of this dress is Julia, right? So we say, it's Julia's. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. See you guys next!